Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the web pages in Power Apps portal. So, one just as previously we have covered in Power Portal's basic forms, metadata, advanced form, list, and web files. Now, web pages. What is exactly web page in our portal means? Like we want to show the data in like how as per requirement using page only we can show, that is the web page we are calling in our Power Apps portal at Power Pages. That web page also data how we are going to show using the page template and web template. So next sessions I will clearly explain about the how to create the web templates and page templates, like what is the exactly code we are going to write in our web templates. Now what exactly like web page how we are going to show here, we'll discuss here. So this is my design studio edit page. So as we see as of now home page and the contact us page we are seeing. So now I'm going to create a new web page. Click on page, so we can enter the page name, that is the like course details page name I'm providing here. So now we are having the few layouts, standard layouts and custom layouts. So standard layout means we can see start from blank, landing page, page, sub page, like that. We are having custom layout means like clickable text, text landing. These are already this landing page as per web role. These are the like using web role we can do it, fetch XML we can do, custom layout like this is the custom layouts we can do, and I'm going with the standard layouts like start from blank, click on add. So now once a page is created, now it should be like once we created no data will be there, right? So it will show as a blank. So I will go and see in preview. Like course details page came. So now this course details showing empty, but what I told, we are going to show the content in our web page. So how we are going to show, as I told, without page template, web template, we cannot show anything here, so we need to assign that one. So once created the page, we see course details. We are having few options here. Move to other pages. Move up. What does that means? Move to other pages means we are going to hide this page. We are not showing to the user. That is the reason here. It will come to this other pages and move up. In it means I need to show before the contact us. Like now it is showing next to the contact us. I need to show this page before the contact us like this, and I will move up that one now. And next thing, add a new subpage. Under this page I want to show few more subpages means I can, so now I will click on add a new subpage. I'm providing like skills, like some skill subpage. So same way I'm going here. So if I sync, now I have synced, and I'm going to show in a preview how that subpage is coming now. See, this is my course details. See, this is subpages, skills I have created now. So by default, when I create a sub page, this is my main page created, but this is also showing a sub page means how we can overcome this. I will show the next video. This one. So my main sub page I have created the skills only now. And next page settings, like page settings means this is my order, the grade, the name, and partial URL. What is exactly partial? Without partial URLs, we cannot able to see our web page in our portal. So this is our portal. So in URL, we can see this option by default, this one. Next one, permissions. So now this page had to show the few persons only, not for the all the persons. Means we can go with the I want to choose who can see this page like option. If this web page want to see everyone means you can go with the anyone can see this page. What is the difference means without permission we are showing to every. So how it will look also I will tell you now. So anyone can see this page I told, right? So we'll go with the web roles. So these web roles and are We are not having in the edit page. We'll go with the portal management. I'm going to the apps, make that powerapps.com. Go to the apps. In app, select portal management. So in portal management, I went to WebRose. In WebRose app, by default, when we create the portal, we'll have a administrator, anonymous users, and authenticated users. So administrators means we can provide all the access, all the web pages access in this one. Anonymous users means unknown persons who are like anonymous. Authentication means already signed in persons who are signed up the portal. Those users can see this one. Example what means home page, anyone can see that one, we can make it. So anonymous users also they can see. So automatically when you go with the anonymous users, go to the web pages access controls, we can see the whole like whatever they are able to see those pages, because now my page like it is like a private page. When we make it a public, automatically we can see the home page here. So now exactly what exactly we are going to discuss here means using web role means, now I mentioned as anyone can see this page, right? So now my app, my portal is having the administrator web role. If I go here, administrator, and go with the contacts, we can see them. This is my login portal. So and I go with the authenticator users, related, contacts, no one is there. So now this page I'm going to provide for the only, see I'm selecting, I want to choose like I'm going to put only authenticator users. So now I'm able to see this skills and the course details page, right? Because I'm I have not mentioned anything for the roles for this one. So now I have clicked on OK, click sync button, and we'll see in the preview. See, now only course details only I'm able to see, but under that skills I'm not able to see. That is the, so like this we can set the roles to see the page, who are able to see and who cannot able to see. Like this we can set the this. So you can see also here whenever lock button is there means we have applied some permission to see this one. So in this web page now, course details web page, I'm able to like see empty everything. So I'm going to the course details page now. So I will add any one form. So we'll go with the basic form now. Meanwhile, like instead of basic, we'll go with the list, because already we have created few records, right? We can show those lists there. So I'm taking as a list now. So out of box, then the different forms. So I'm creating a new list now. As already list under I have discussed in the previous videos, please look it and once then. So I'm selecting the course details table. Have selected, in that I'm having the views, right? So as of now I'm taking only active course details view. Next, in actions we are having few options like create, download, view, and everything. Create means we can create a new record, we can download the all the existing whatever the records is there, and we can view the record, we can edit the record, and we can delete the records, everything we can see. As we can, as of now I'm enabling this record. For enabling also it is there, but I have not created any form. That is the reason. Next no, I will explain that one also. So as of now, if you want, we can enable this one. And more options, number of records per page, how many? As of now, I'm showing 10 only we are showing. So we'll make it 20 like this. We can add this one, advanced settings. If you want to do some more options for this one, you can go to the portal management, we can do it. Now just click on done. So we have added the list, we can see and see. See, now previously nothing, no data is there, but I have added the list, right? So that list, whatever the like you can go back, go to add to course details. In model 11 I have shown previously course name created, and those things only we are able to see. And also data we are not able to see. In model 11 we are able to see, but in portal I'm not able to see. That is the reason, because of we don't have the permission to see the data also. So those things how we can achieve means using table permissions. Next video, one of the video I can explain clearly. But in this I will assign the few table. I will create one table permission and we will show that one. So go to the table permissions, click on new, give the name. I'm providing as a course details now because of my table name is the course, so that is I'm going this one, course details. I'm selecting as a table also same course details table. So website, which website where you can select that website. Access type, we are having this option. Global means we can see everyone can see this details of this course details, and contact means whoever as per contact their own records on they can see. And account wise, if example two organizations is there, two organizations they have created few their few datas. So but depends upon their account, whatever the account particular contact they have provided their data only they can able to see. And parent and self, like this as of now I'm providing as a global. And in privileges, this actual table permission I will explain that clearly in next video what exactly each and every point. So on privileges is the read, write, create everything. When you provide the read option, then only you can able to see. Now I have created the table permission and I clicked on save without giving any privileges. We'll see what will happen. Just I'm syncing that one. If any change you have done, and if you want to see the output in portal means immediately it will not reflect. We need to remove the cache. That is the reason we are doing the sync option here. Even though I have created the table permission also, whether I'm able to see the data or not, we can see now. See, even though I have created the table permission, but still I'm not able to see due to because of we are not assigned this one to the particular web role. So go to the portal management, go to the related but the table permission only we are having the web roles option. So go here, add existing web role. This course details, like we have not added anything. So I'm as of now I'm providing for administrator role because of I have logged into the my one of the contact type that is having the administrator web role. So that's why I'm providing this one. Now we can see whether it still we are able to see or not. So sync is completed. We'll see whether output is coming or not now. But still I'm not able to see any records due to because what is the reason also we'll see. So go to general tab, privileges is there but read create everything is there but still I have not provide anything. So I will provide the read option now. Click on save button. We'll see now. But still why I'm not able to see means I have not logged in. Still it is showing sign in means I have provided only for the administrators, but still it is anonymous users without signing means. So I'm going to sign in now. When I click on sign in, I will get the option to sign in options. So now I'm going with the Azure AD. Next videos I will explain about the what is the why local sign is the Azure everything, how to we can disable everything. I can show that one. So now I have signed in, means I am able to see this one. See, I'm able to see the whatever the active records because I have given only for active views only, for I have selected views only. So now I'm able to see active views. So course name list 2. So I have provided. I need to do some customizations now. So click on edit list. So choose a table, everything we have done. Now as I told, for this one, I need to create the record here itself instead of going and doing model run up. How can I do it? So we can do the more actions in this, sorry, in actions, not more action. We are having the option to create a new record. So just I'm clicking on this. As of now, form it is there. No forms to select because of I have not created any form regarding using related this new table. So I will go to the portal management and go to the basic forms. In that basic forms I will create a new form like this, like a course details insert form because of this is the create form, like. So I will create the course details course sorry details, the create form. Now I'm selecting the table. As this basic form, how it will work also, I have shown the one of the video, please look it and once. So I'm selecting the form and I'm selecting the tab also. Now we are having the three modes, so sorry, insert, edit and read only. Insert means we can create the record, we can edit the record, and we can read only means we can view the data only. So now I'm going to create the record. That is the reason I'm making as insert, and I'm selecting as my website, and I'm providing enable table permissions. Means without table permissions I'm providing means as I told, right, if I enable this one means I have created one of the table permissions. I have given the only option as a read only, but now I'm going to create the record. Whether I can do it or not, I can see now. So click on save button. So we'll sync and see now what will happen. Like first we'll refresh the page because of we need to add that form into our this list, right? Create a button. We'll see now. See, portal is loaded, but still I'm not able to see any create button. That is because of while creating table permission, we provide only read option. We are not given any permission to create the record. So now I'm providing the create option. We have enabled the option in create in table permission, and we'll see whether still we are able to see or not. Surely we are able to see now because we provided the permission to create the record for the particular web page. But still loading. See, still no, not at came. Because of we forgot one thing to add. Go to page settings. Sorry. In list settings, go to edit list actions. I have not enabled anything and I have not selected any form. So then all without that it could not be shown. So if you see in edit page on it came now. When I sync automatically it will show in our portal now. It is saving now. We'll see the preview. Surely it will show the create a new. See, create a new came. So when I click on create now button, I can see the insert form to enter the data. So I'm providing now as a like Java skills, and by default I mentioned as a like that field. So now that's why I can able to see that one. I'm selected as Java, making us 2 months, and you can select as a it is not optional also, no issue. Status, as I told, this is previous one of the video explained. Status is the default out of box field to see the status I mean this we can activate the record or deactivate the record, so automatically it will make it as active. That's why it is not showing that one. And click on submit button, we can see the newly created record with the timing. So like this we can create the record in our portal also using one in web page. We can add the list and we can create those options. So as of now for this one create I have given for this list. How can I see the how can I edit for these records and everything means already we, as I told, go to the list, edit list. We are having the in actions to to show the pro actions, view, edit and everything. So we can do, before doing this we need to create the basic forms, right? Because as of now we have created only for the insert form, so that time we have selected as a mode as a insert. So now I will do one thing, I will create the edit and for you both, and I will show now. Post details, edit form. I'm selecting this edit mode, and while giving an edit mode it will show the record source type. So as per the requirement we can go. I'm going by the as per the id, I need to show that record in edit page, so I'm going with the query string. When I select as query string it will show as id parameters as id. So I'm selecting the website and I'm clicking on save now. So I have created the edit form also. Now I will create for the read only. So go to new again, post details. It is coming, just a minute please. Post details, read only form. Even though when I select read only also, it will ask the record source type. We can select as per requirement. My as I need for the particular record to open, so I given as a query string, and I'm saving the record. And we'll go and refresh this page once. So in list, go to edit list now, actions. So row actions, I'm enabling view details, and I'm selecting the view form. Edit record, I'm enabling. Now edit form I have selected. I'm giving the delete option also to delete the record, and I'm giving the download button also to download the records. So I have enabled all the options, and we'll see sync and see how it is going to look. So my page has loaded. I can able to create and download button, and we are having the drop down to view details and everything. I have enabled even the delete and edit also, but still I'm not able to see those things today. Like means in table permissions we have not provided the to delete and everything. So those things we can go. So go to post details table permission. In that we see we provided only as a for the reading and create purpose only. So that is the reason I'm able to see the view details also, because I provided the read details, right? So I can see the read options and with like only viewing purpose. So now I will give the delete option and write, and we can append also to by using relationship we can do that one. So I'm doing now. We'll see, we can see all the options now: edit, view, delete and everything button options. Okay, now yes, edit button came, delete button also came. When I click on edit, I can able to do all the edit actions, and we can click on delete, it will delete the record and everything. So this is the way we can show. So now web page, how we can create and how we can show in our portal, and then in that web page how we can display the how we are going to show how you're showing the data using list or anything. Everything I have explained here. As I told previously, without web template and without page template we cannot see the web page only. So you see, when I create in Design Studio, automatically it will take as a default studio web template. If I come and create in portal management, automatically these are all the options manually I can do it. So I created in the Design Studio. That is the reason automatically it is taken as a default studio template. So this is the like whether the provider, the name, website, parent page, as it a partial. This is the main important. If we go and paste this in your next to web portal link, then only you can see that web page. Publishing, when it is published, then only we can see this web page in the portal. And localized content, without localized content also we are not able to see in the web page only. How many languages is enabled in your portal, that many localized content for each web page we can see here. And next page options, as per our requirement we can enable those options, same like these options also. And coming to the, we are having in the two forms, like one is information we have completed, what is our content page. As I told, localized content, this is the localized content page. Without this we cannot do see the data in the web page only. I mean web page only we cannot able to see. So same like same details only it will be there, just it is not changed. So it is some cache issue, then we'll go with the localized content, same, both are same only. So automatically we can see the content page here. So now same same details will be there. So like here few more options extra is there, like this is the title. If you want to provide anything in the web page we can show here. And also HTML. As of now I have not uploaded any HTML CSS for this web page to see the like looking like very requirement wise. It should like some images and background everything. We can go with the HTML page and we can do also things same. HTML will be there. And also one just summary HTML, and next localized content. These are the different things we can go. And page options same like information page where whatever we see same. And when you go with the advanced option, we can write here our jQuery to work our functionality of the code whatever we are providing that one. We can provide here custom JavaScript and custom CSS. As I told, here we can write the HTML in general tab, and advanced we can write our JavaScript here, and we can write our custom CSS here. So in web page also we can do it everything, but as I told, in web page only we are adding one of the page template. This is the main backbone of this one, and when you click on page template, we are showing one of the web template. So instead of doing all the HTML, CSS and Java query, we can go with this template, and you can write all the liquid codes here in this single template, and we can show example html tag. We can html we can write here, css using style tag we can do it here itself, using script tab we can do the javascript here itself. And if you can use the some sm properties and everything to assign the exactly means what I'm saying. Example, I need to show the different table data to here, you can assign that one using assign option. Everything liquid code means we can write a liquid code multiple like html css javascript, everything we can write it here in the single web template, and we can show that there. Means why? Because I'm suggesting web template, we can is a single way to show the data here. Instead of doing in the web page only, we can do it there also, but it's a very easy process to go and change the in future anywhere we can have to change that code. So like instead of going this html and the css everywhere, you can go with the directly web template. I can do the all the code there, and we can implement here easily. We can see the data, all the things here itself. So in web page, as a in content page, I have shown like advanced JavaScript and I mean advanced option also, and administration as per the requirement. This just will show the owner of this one, and notes. If you want to show some notes for this, we can show here. And now I'm going with the information page. Information page, we can see the some like we'll go back to information page now. Child pages. As we see in this video starting, I have created one of the child sub page for this one skills. Whatever the child space I have created, it will show the list here. Child files, any web files I can change like CSS example. I need to do it in not in web template. I can go and do it in web files. That web files we can add it in the add existing also. Means we can do the some CSS design to our web page. And access control rows. While creating the web page, we'll get the like web page access control. Those we can see here, and advanced tab. As I told in content page, I mean localized content, we seen same options only we can see here. Same admission, same notes. So this is the web pages in our Power Portal, like Power Portals. How we are showing, how we are implementing everything. So and thank you so much for watching.